I never knew that they were selling my hair online, sis. I didn't even know my hair grew overnight like this. Did somebody tell? Why nobody told me that? Why nobody told me and put me on? Let me know.
Pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out. But we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carrie. If you're new to my channel, please, girl, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. So I just got to give a special thanks to NIAWIGS for sponsoring this video and sending your girl this bomb unit to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into the review. This is a 14-inch kinky curly headband wig from NIAWIGS. You do have the option of getting a 14, a 16, and an 18-inch. Also, you do have an option, 5 different options of headband packs that come in a pack of 4. So that's pretty dope too. So first of all, headband wigs are a thing. It's super convenient, super easy, super trending. And something like this, like a kinky curly style, is definitely something you can wear every day with no makeup because it just resembles our natural hair texture. This is gorgeous, y'all. All right, so let me kind of show you how it's laying on my head. So this is the headband that is going all the way around the unit. And then when we get to the back, that is what it's looking like back there. So you get a nice decent amount of coverage with this unit, and I'm super happy about that. Now, first of all, as you saw straight out of the pack, the curls were very defined. I didn't think that the hair could get this big, but once I played with it, I was like, hold up, sis. So I'm super happy with the results of how this hair came out, y'all. And it was super easy. I literally just did to this unit what I would do with my natural hair on a regular wash day, like a regular, a wash and go kind of day, because it's human hair and it's kinky curly, and that's what I have. So I was like, why do something different? Just keep it simple, do what you normally do. And this is the results. This is bomb. The hair is moving, the hair is bouncy. OMG, sis, come through, come through, come through. I am so happy. Y'all can't tell me this is not my hair. And look at that, minimal edges out, minimal. You know I got thin edges too. If I wanted to like cover my entire, like if you're someone who didn't want your edges out or you have super thin edges, you could bring that sucker all the way to the front and boom, still a vibe, y'all. Still a vibe. OMG. Let me move it back a little bit. All right, so honestly, I think that the quality of the hair is pretty dope, y'all. It is super soft. And with all of that manipulating and pulling and tugging you saw me doing to poof her out, I barely got any shedding with the unit. So I would say that the wefts are really tight. Like, it got to be, because I was rough on this unit. I can't even lie. I can't even hold you and tell you something different. So the quality is good. It's soft. Oh my gosh. And what I like about it is that it's human hair. So you can always get some water and wet it right back, especially if you use some of that curling cream and stuff, and it's going to define right back up. So if you're like, oh my gosh, I puffed it too much, look at that. It's just curling right back up into place. That is bomb. This is what you call kinky, curly, 4C, 3A, whatever y'all want to call it, because I don't really type hair like that because my real hair is made up of different kind of textures. All right, so what I'm going to do real quick, even though I actually like the look of just that headband right there, the black, I like it. I think it's cute and clean and sleek. I'm going to try on some different headbands. So they were kind enough to send me, like I said, it comes with 1 pack of headbands, but they did send me some more, some extra ones, and I think that was really cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you a little silent slay of me trying on some different headbands with this wig to see how it looks, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on it. Okay, so let's go.
I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near.
All right, y'all, so that basically wraps up the portion of me styling his hair. I had to give you some options, a little inspo, show you what you could do. You know I like to do it, even though I like to wear my hair straight down like this, because ain't nothing cute like this, bro. This is cute. That updo was cute too. And this headband, I absolutely love. I did get the headband from Deanna Monet TV. If you're not familiar with her channel, she does wig reviews, but she also has an accessory website where she sells accessories and jewelry, and I got it from here. I'll put that information in the description box if you want to check it out. The hair, all in all, I think is very good quality. As I stated before, I was very rough in the hair, and with all the styling and stuff, it still didn't tangle or anything like that. Like, this hair doesn't tangle. It's kinky. Look, and I can still run my hands through it. Like, that's crazy. It's just going through like butter, and it's super soft, y'all. It's not shedding or anything like that. If you're looking for a quality unit, I'll definitely say check out NIAWIGS. Again, this is a 14-inch kinky curly headband wig, and it is running for $139, but I do have a promo code for you, which is CARRY15, which is going to save you a little bit of money off. So if you want to go ahead and take advantage, go ahead, sis. I do have some other headband wig videos on my channel, which is synthetic, where you could kind of get a little cheap $15 wig, a headband, make it work, make it do what it do. But do keep in mind, this is what you call quality, something that's going to last you a long time, versus something that's also very cute, but may not last you as long. So you got options, okay? Do what works for you, do what works for your budget. But I am here for this. This is cute, and I feel like I could probably wear this for like maybe a year or so if you keep up with your hair. You know, you got to take care of it like you take care of your hair. This is some quality right here. I'm not gonna lie. It's moving, it's fluffy, it's soft. This is bomb, y'all. I think I done hit every point in this video. It wasn't much to say, but the hair is bomb, and it looks natural. I never knew that they were selling my hair online, sis. I didn't even know my hair grew overnight like this. Did somebody tell? Why nobody told me that? Why nobody told me and put me on? Let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up. If you're interested in the color context I'm wearing today, it is Daisy Chocolate from TTDI. Promo code is CARRY. All of that information will be in the description box below. And I'm gonna wrap this video on up. Drop your comments, y'all. Let me know what you think about this unit right here, because this is feeling so natural and cute. I'll see y'all later. Mwah.
Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground.